Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. I'm Graham and today I'm going to show you around this absolutely fantastic 2016 on a 66 Volkswagen Golf GTD. Now this is in the dark grey metallic and is sat on the 18-inch double spoke alloys, and they are by colour. Now this car was taken in part exchange on a newer vehicle at our stock and has just gone through our workshop. In that service and preliminary inspection, we've put new discs and new pads on the front and the back, and it's had 2 new tyres on the front also. Paintwork on the car's wonderful. This car's just done over 53,000 miles, but all round this is a fantastic GTD. Got wonderful specification. We've got front parking sensors and rear parking sensors. We've got the satellite navigation system, privacy glass, and it's got the must-have DSG automatic gearbox. All the wheels are in superb condition for the age of the car. Everything has been, as I say, we polished them up so they're as good as new. Looking down the sides of the car, you can tell it's really been cherished. The paintwork and the lustre on the lacquer is in absolutely exceptional order. No dent dings or trolley dents. Car park scuffs. A really well cared for and loved GTD. As I say, you can still see the writing on the disc there, so they'll just need bedding in. So 4 discs and pads all the way around. Looking at the rear of the car, we've got those LED style lights, we've got the twin chrome tailpipe and the rear parking sensors. The boots on these are fantastic size boot. That is in lovely order in there. No misuse or careless marks on the bumpers. Boot floor under there, we have the space saving spare wheel. Now this boot floor, as I'll just show, is you can drop it down even further, so you've got a little bit more boot space if you so require it. But all the way around the car, it's in gorgeous condition. Again, the driver's side, is the lustre on the paint is a regular polished condition. GTD badge. So pretty much this is a Golf GTI with the diesel engine, capable of over 60 miles to the gallon. Now I do love the interiors on these. The tartan check in grey is absolutely super. We've got the black detail, we've got power folding door mirrors with heated elements, 4 electric windows, aluminium pedal set, 2 pedals with it being the auto box. The seat itself is in wonderful order. No real wear on any of the bolsters or the bases. They're free from tear mark. Now, this car, as I said to you, is 53,118 miles. So a very, very nice mileage car for a 16 plate. Normally these cars have well done over 100,000 miles by this time because they are so reliable. Pretty much everything in here. We've got tech pack, so auto headlamps, cruise control, speed limiter. It's variable as well, your cruise control on that button. That means if the car in front of you, the car will slow down. Running over to the center console, that's then in the deep gloss finish as well. You can see the luster and the shine popping off there. Auto hold handbrake, 2 keys, driving select mode, we can drive there. We've got traction control. We don't switch that off, but you can do on the button. Beautiful. DAB radio, I'll run through the system. Let's just cancel the touch screen. So radio there, DAB. We've got media player in the glove box. So that's a CD, an SD card, and also we've got USB as well. We've got Bluetooth phone. We've got voice recognition. We've got satellite navigation. We've got the traffic management system. If you're going anywhere, you can check if there's a traffic jam on your journey. We've got vehicle status, and then we've got the app connect, etc. As you flow through those, you can the various systems that are available on these modern cars. Heated front seats, keep your bum warm in winter. We've got dual climate control for passenger and driver. You can sync them so that the driver adjusts the passengers, or you can unsync them and you can have it completely different. Rear view mirror is auto dimming also. Now I don't smoke, I never have done, and I can tell that this car has been a non-smokers as well. Very important type of things that to me. Carpets are all in outstanding order again. We've shampooed them and then presented them to their highest possible quality. The internals of the car are lovely throughout. It's an exceptional car and a credit to the previous keepers. No damage from where careless, shall we say, seat belts are on the paintwork. Everything is in lovely order. You will find no disappointment in this car whenever you come to view it whatsoever. Lovely, lovely piece of kit this. Everything is in very, very nice condition all round. Have a look on the advert, the pictures. I have pictured all the services. Got one at Volkswagen, and it's been a local garage that's cared for it for the last keeper. Bearing in mind, we have just done the brakes, as I've said, and 2 new tyres on the front. So 2 keys, full book pack, everything that was available when it was new in 16. So 6 years ago, sorry, is all still with the car. And with only 53,000 miles on it as well, still ample miles to cover with pleasure. Wonderful cars to drive, wonderful cars to own. What more can I say? So if you've got a part exchange or you need finance, give us a call here in Wigan. There's myself, Graham, there's Dominic, and there's Leo. Look after you in the best possible way we can. Have a look on our Facebook page. You'll see lots of customers coming from all over the UK doing exactly that. Reserving the car with a £250 deposit. That then gets the car ready for you, so you only need to visit our showroom once to collect it. Have a look on our reviews. You'll see we're a 5-star dealer, having been in business now for more than 40 years here in Wigan. We have some enviable stock presented to the best standards. So thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.